Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a background in an Excel cell. Say for example, I have opened sheet 3. So I wanted to insert a particular picture as a background in my Excel. So how I am going to do? So before I show you that, I will show you the picture what I am going to insert. So go to downloads. I have a picture here. See, this is what I am going to insert. So Excel tips how to find and replace. So if you look at, so I wanted to make this as my background in my Excel. So how I am going to do? So go to your respective Excel, select the cell and go to page layout, and you will have an option called background. Click on that, and whatever the option you have selected, say for example we have taken this one, and click on OK. See, the same picture has come here. And you may get a doubt, so you have seen all the rows and columns are still here, and you see the header is also here, because you don't want to see all other text. You want a plain Excel sheet, under that you wanted to place your picture. So to do that, you will have an option called, under grid lines you will have an option called view or no view. So if you uncheck that, automatically those will go. This way you can make your Excel visible. If you don't want the header also, you can see an option called heading view. So then the header column also will go. So the header row ABCD will go. So if you want to revert automatically, just check that, it will show you. Now if I click on that, and if you see, because your Excel will have huge number of rows and columns, so it will get repeated. As you see, as you scroll down, you will be able to see the picture in all the places. The entire Excel will have the background of this document, whatever you have placed. So this is how you can make your Excel with some background. Okay, whatever the sheet you wanted to place, you can make use of this. And you can write the text also. If at all you wanted to write, you can place your own text on this picture also. Say for example, if I wanted to insert something like Excel tips, how you will be writing? You will be going to that particular place, and then you will write Excel tips. You can make the required documents and required format of any kind of text you wanted to insert. You can make use of this particular background option and design the diagram. Thank you for watching.